Welcome to Knowledge Base. In this video, we want to derive the formula for the conversion between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. These are the scales. This is the Celsius scale and this is the Fahrenheit scale. For the Celsius scale, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water, while 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. For the Fahrenheit scale, 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water, while 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the boiling point of water. But we can convert temperatures in degrees Celsius to its equivalent in degree Fahrenheit, and vice versa. Our target in this video is to derive the formula we can use to convert from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, and also from degree Fahrenheit back to degree Celsius. So watch this video to the end because it is very educative. What we're going to do is to take ratios of intervals and compare them, just like we do in similar triangles. Let's start with the Celsius scale. For the Celsius scale, we're going to do this ratio. Degrees Celsius minus 0 divided by 100 minus 0. So we are just taking the interval between the required temperature and the freezing point to the ratio of the interval between the required temperature and the freezing point, and that of the boiling point and the freezing point. And we are just going to equate it to similar intervals on the Fahrenheit scale, which is Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 212 minus 32. This is the comparison or the equation we are going to use. From here, we can now make degree Celsius subject of the formula. So, assuming we want to convert from degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, let's make degree Celsius subject of the formula, and we are going to be able to use the formula we're going to get to convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. This minus 0 gives us degree Celsius. 100 minus 0 is 100. Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 180. 212 minus 32 will give us 180. Please take note that 100 is the fundamental interval for the Celsius scale, while 180 is the fundamental interval for the Fahrenheit scale. To make the degree Celsius subject to the formula, we need this 100 to multiply the right-hand side. So degree Celsius will be equal to 100 divided by 180 multiplied by degree Fahrenheit minus 32. 20 divides 100 will give us 5, and 20 divided 180 will give us 9. So this is the formula you can use to convert a temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So whatever value of the temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit, put it here and do your calculation. You're going to get the value in degree Celsius. So this is an important formula to take note of. Let's move to the next page to look at the formula to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is the formula we just derived to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, it means we need to make Fahrenheit the subject of the formula, and that is quite easy. We just need this 5/9 to cross over to the other side, the left-hand side. As it crosses over, it becomes 9/5. What we are simply doing is dividing both sides by 5/9. So we have degree Celsius times 9/5 equals F minus 32. To make F subject of the formula, we add 32 to both sides. So the 32 moves to the left-hand side, and we are going to have degree Fahrenheit to be equal to 32 plus 9/5 times degree Celsius. Now, this is the formula that now converts your temperature in degree Celsius to its equivalent in degree Fahrenheit, and it's very important to take note of it as well. So in this video, we have successfully derived the equation to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius and the equation to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. In our subsequent videos, we shall be taking an example and a simple calculation of this conversion. I hope this video was useful and interesting to you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, drop your comment, and share it to your learning colleagues. Once again, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in our next video.